I'm just going to go over the assignment from yesterday, from Tuesday, where you were doing some polygon sorting. I started to look at some of your work and I was seeing that we were making some of the same errors. So I'm just going to go through it here. And then if you need to, you can watch this and then make corrections to your Google Classroom assignment. So for slide 1 here, we're sorting them between equilateral and regular. If you remember, equilateral means that all of the side lengths the same, and regular means side and angles are the same. So if we think about this Venn diagram for a minute, if I have a shape that's regular, it means the angles are the same and the sides are the same. So it's going to have to go within this equilateral one. It's going to have to be right in the middle. So it's actually going to be nothing in this far right category. So let's start with A. It is equilateral because I can see they're all marked the same, and it's equal angles. So it's a regular size. It's going to be right there in the middle. B, equilateral because all of the side lengths are the same, all the angles are the same. So it also is a regular shape. If I look at C, it's not equilateral, different side lengths. So if it's not equilateral, it's not regular. So it's outside. D, it's not equilateral. So you have two different lengths of sides. So it can't be regular. E, our side lengths are the same. So it is equilateral. We have two different angles. So it's not regular. So it's in equilateral, but not regular. F as well. Our side lengths are all the same, but we have different angles. So it's equilateral, but not regular. G, all of our side lengths are marked the same. And if you look carefully, all our angles are marked the same. It is a regular shape. It's going to go over in here because all regular shapes are also equilateral. And H is not equilateral, so it cannot be regular. It's outside. All right, our second one is we've got no obtuse angles on the left, equilateral on the right. Remember, equilateral means all the sides are the same length. So we start with A. It is equilateral. They're all marked the same, and I don't see any obtuse angles, so it has to be in the middle. B, it's equilateral again, and no obtuse angles. C, it is not equilateral, but it does have no obtuse angles, so it is here. D is not equilateral, two different side lengths, and there are obtuse angles, so it doesn't fit in either of those. E, it is equilateral. All the sides are the same length, but it does have obtuse angles, so it can't fit in the no obtuse angles, so it's going to be there. F is equilateral again. All the sides are the same length, and it does have obtuse angles, so it's going to be over here. Same thing with G. It is equilateral. It has obtuse angles. And H is not equilateral. And it has no obtuse angles, so it will be there. And slide 3, we're shaped again looking at equilaterals, same side lengths. And here, polygons with all angles equal. So it's almost the same as regular, but regular has to be equilateral and equal angular. This one, we could have some that are equal angular, but they are not equilateral. So our A is equilateral, and it has equal angles. B, equal sides and equal angles. C, the sides are not equal, but if I look, we've got 490 degrees. It is equal angles. D, not equal sides and not equal angles. E, equal sides, not equal angles. F, equal sides, not equal angles. G, equal sides and equal angles. And H, not equal sides and not equal angles. So it's outside the box. So there you go. If you need to, you can go and make some changes to your Google Classroom.